Hello everyone and welcome back to Crochet Rocks. I'm going to review some yarn that I purchased from Sainsbury's. A lot of people have said when I told them where I purchased this yarn that they didn't realise that Sainsbury's were actually selling yarn. They don't really have a great deal in, it's mostly one aisle end, and they have a few accessories, but they've got one size of hook, so it's not really that they have a lot in. The first time I saw it, I was quite impressed because they had a lovely range of baby colours. And as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I wanted to make some new blankets for my grandson because his were looking a little bit tired. So each ball of yarn was 100 grams, very soft, very nice quality, and it was only £1.99. So as I was around that area and I had £10 on me, I thought I would go in and buy 5 balls and make this blanket in a kind of a pastel rainbow shades. When I got in there, they'd put the price up of the colours, blue, pink and mint green, to £2.50, so I couldn't do that. But as I knew that it was for my grandson and he's a boy, I was able to get the blue that you see in front of you. So the baby yarn, this is lemon, believe it or not. It doesn't really come over very colourful. It's very pale in any case, but it's just simply called yarn. As you can see, it's really soft. It's as I say, £1.99. But as well, they had this yarn which wasn't classed as the baby yarn, just double knitting, but it's just soft, really. It's very marginal, so I thought I'd just buy the blue and make it a lemon and blue blanket. I'm not really sure what this stitch is called, but it's coming up really nicely. I think it's crocheting really well. So I was thinking of maybe doing a tutorial on this blanket if I like it when it's finished. I did plan initially to edge it in the white, but I don't think so. I think I'm going to make the border just the same as this this stripe here, all the way around the outside. So Sainsbury's for me has got a big thumbs up. It's very good quality, and there's not a massive difference between the baby softness and the normal double knit softness. I was able to combine the two quite nicely. So thank you for watching. That's for Sainsbury's. They don't have a great deal of colours, as I said, so it's not really like I can say very much about it, but do check it out. It's really good quality. It's as good a quality really as a lot of the expensive yarns. No problems with it so far. I've not found any faults in either of the balls that I've been working on. So why don't you go along to Sainsbury's, give it a check out for yourself. They do have a few other colours there, but there's not a massive range. But thank you for watching. If you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, click on the little bell and you'll get notified of any new videos. And with your help, I can grow this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.